Chapter 12. Natural Disasters. Natural disasters are terrible events brought by climate which cause massive loss of life and property. These calamities disrupt the functioning of a place by causing widespread destruction and damage to life, infrastructure, environment and economy. These natural disasters are earthquakes, volcanic eruptions, cyclones, floods, landslides, droughts and tsunami. Earthquake. Earthquakes are sudden tremors caused due to the disturbances within the Earth's crust. These tremors can cause buildings to shake and even fall down, leading to massive destruction. Causes of earthquake. The Earth's crust is made up of a number of big and small pieces of rocks called tectonic plates. Sudden movements under the Earth's surface cause strong vibrations and shock waves which travel to the surface of the Earth. The point under the ground where the earthquake begins is called focus. The point on the Earth's surface that lies vertically just above the focus is called the epicenter. Major earthquakes cause a lot of destruction. Till date, there is no known method to predict an earthquake. The intensity, duration and direction of an earthquake can be measured by an instrument called seismograph. The strength of an earthquake is recorded on the Richter scale. The magnitude of earthquakes can be categorized on the basis of Richter scale readings. If the reading ranges from 4 to 5, the earthquake is regarded as moderate. If the reading ranges from 6 to 7, it is regarded as major, and for reading 8, it is considered as severe. Effects of an earthquake. Strong earthquakes cause major damage. Buildings and other structures develop cracks and even collapse. Many people and animals get trapped underneath fallen buildings and die. Earthquakes can also uproot trees as well as damage roads and bridges. Sometimes earthquakes also cause fire. They may also cause landslides in hills. Safety from earthquake. The following are some of the measures you can take to remain safe during an earthquake. If you are indoors, stay away from heavy objects or objects made of glass, which may fall down or break and injure you. Get under a strong bed or desk to protect your head from getting injured under falling things. If you are outdoors, move to an open area so that trees, poles and buildings cannot fall on you. Tsunami. Tsunami is a Japanese word that means harbor, wave, nami. Tsunamis are caused due to volcanic eruptions or earthquakes that occur under the sea. During a tsunami, an enormous wall of water comes as a series of waves onto the seashore. These waves have a lot of force and can cover long distance without losing much power and energy. The waves can be as high as 15 meters. A tsunami can destroy everything that comes in its way. The speed of a tsunami can be around 800 kilometers per hour, faster than that of a jet plane. Tsunami causes a lot of damage to life and property. The tsunami that occurred in the Indian Ocean on 26 December 2004 damaged the coastal areas of Kerala, Tamil Nadu and Andaman and Nicobar Islands. Volcanoes. A volcano is an opening on Earth's surface through which hot and molten magma comes out along with ash and gases. Magma erupting from a volcano is called lava. Magma is stored in the interior of the Earth in sort of a large reservoir, known as magma chamber. When the pressure in the chamber builds up, the magma explodes through a vent. an opening or a crack in the crust of the earth. The lava cools down and solidifies. It forms a cone-shaped mound around the vent of the volcano. This landform, referred to as a volcanic mountain, may take thousands of years to form. The hollow top of the volcanic mountain, that is ball-shaped, is called crater. Some volcanoes are also found in the oceans. Most of them are hidden underwater. However, sometimes due to repeated eruptions, tall mounds rise above the surface of the water, which give rise to oceanic islands. Not all volcanoes erupt explosively. It depends on the dissolved gas in the magma. As magma rises and pressure is released, gas bubbles, mainly of water vapor and carbon dioxide, form and expand rapidly, causing explosions. On the other hand, the magma with little dissolved gas tends to flow out smoothly from the vent. It produces a broad volcano, called shield volcano. Volcanoes of Hawaii Islands are shield volcanoes. Types of volcanoes. There are 3 types of volcanoes depending on the frequency of eruptions. Active volcano. Active volcano can erupt anytime or has erupted in the recent past. For example, Mount Etna in Italy and Mauna Loa in Hawaii Islands. Dormant volcano. Dormant volcano is in a state of sleep. It has not erupted for a long time, but could erupt again in the future. For example, Mount Fuji in Japan and Mauna Kea in Hawaii Islands. Extinct volcano. An extinct volcano is that volcano which has not erupted for at least 10,000 years. For example, Mount Kilimanjaro, Africa. Ring of Fire. The Ring of Fire is a string of volcanoes and sites of earthquakes around the edges of the Pacific Ocean. It has total 452 volcanoes and 75% of the Earth's active and dormant volcanoes. Flood. A flood is the most common of all natural disasters. It may be caused due to a variety of reasons like heavy rainfall, breaking down of dams or fast melting of icebergs or ice sheets. Floods that happen very quickly are called flash floods. In India, floods are mostly caused due to heavy rainfall. This leads to excess water in the rivers. When the water level rises above the banks, it flows into nearby areas causing flood. Floods cause severe damage to life, property, livestock and crops. They can cause fresh water to mix with dirty water, leading to the spread of waterborne diseases such as cholera, jaundice and typhoid. Electricity and water supply as well as transport and communication networks are disrupted. Food and medicine supply also gets severely affected during floods. Drought. A drought is a period of very hot and dry weather, resulting in lack of rainfall in a particular region for a long period of time. Wells, lakes and other water bodies dry up. There is an acute shortage of drinking water. There is very little or no water for the cultivation of crops. Animals and plants die in large numbers due to shortage of water and insufficient food. Besides the government, there are some non-government organizations, NGOs, who help in an organized way to look after the injured and homeless by giving them medicines, food and shelter and engage in rescue operations. Red Cross Society. It helps the victims by giving them medical relief. It also helps them in rehabilitating themselves. World Health Organization WHO, it provides medical services and medicines for the affected people. United Nations International Children's Emergency Fund UNICEF, it particularly helps the children of the areas affected by natural disasters.